welcome back to my channel! And for today's video, kakain tayo. As you can see, I have this roasted seaweed from Winter Harvest. Nakapag-restock na ulit si mother. And then, I have also this instant noodles with real Australian roast beef. Yan. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's real Australian Chovaneski. And it says that it is Ichiban Delicious. At nabili namin to from, you know, sa ating SNR. Yay! This said that this is made in Taiwan from at least 20% Australian ingredients with Australian beef. So, let's try. Nilagyan ko na to ng mainit na tubig. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Tinanong ko pa yung takip. Umaalingasaw na siya. And, I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. Papakita ko sa inyo syempre. So, yeah. That's it. Ang dami niyang laman, diba? Tapos, kakain pa tayo with the seaweed. OMG. It's heaven. Yay! So, let's have it na! Siyempre, una natin gagalawin is hahaluin muna natin. And then, meron din akong bit-bit na kutsara para malang sabaw. Maanghang-anghang siya. Lasa niya nga yung mga cup noodles sa Taiwan. Sarap. And yay! Miss ko to. Seaweeds. Try natin. Grabe na to. Grabe yung noodles niya. Yes. And here we go. Taste test natin tong sinasabi nilang beef chunk. Malambot siya. Ang lasa niya nga yung beef. Yan nasa natikman namin sa Taiwan. Maanghang siya actually. Hindi ko sure kung maubos ko to. Yung sobrang dami na. As in. Sulo tayo ulit na sabaw. Sarap. Sorry. Grabe na to. Sarap. Grabe na. Sarap. Mm. 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 Ah, sarap, grabe. Sarap. Grabe, sarap. I guess hindi ko ito makukubar. Hindi ko i-alis si mama. Sobrang dami ng laman niya. Sa totoo lang. So, may laman pa dito. Madami pa. Nabigyan natin kay mother. Well, guys, hanggang dito na lang. Bibigay ko kay mama yung iba. Marami. Of course, ang ating review, kakain ba ulit nito? Yes, definitely yes. Order ba ulit nito sa SNR? I mean, bibili ulit nito sa SNR? Yes, bibili po ulit kasi sobrang sarap niya. And, of course, the seaweeds. Ito, staple na to. Yeah. Last bite bago ibaba. And with that, bye guys!